Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Sharif Silmi with the Schiaparelli Law Group, Washington, D.C. Of course, everyone out there is still taking in the news of the presidential election and the election of President-elect Donald Trump, and are very concerned about the impact this has on immigration, on their current status in the U.S., for those folks that have intended to come to the U.S., and what this all means. I just wanted to take a slice of the overall picture, which I think we can not disagree is quite bleak in terms of, for instance, today, Jeff Sessions, the anti-immigration senator, was selected as the Attorney General pending his approval by the Senate, confirmation by the Senate. But I do want to touch a little bit about Donald Trump's more positive positions and areas where I think there may be some ability to maneuver within the forthcoming policy. I want to take you guys back to a statement that Mr. Trump made in 2015, where he said, quote, "I'm in favor of people coming into this country legally. And you know what? They can have it any way you want. You can call it visas, you can call it work permits, you can call it anything you want." He went on to say, I'm all in favor of keeping these talented people here so they can go to work in Silicon Valley. He went on, as far as the visas are concerned, if we need people, it's fine. They have to come to this country legally. We have to have a country of borders. We have to have a country of laws. We have to obey the laws. It's fine if they come in, but they have to come in legally, he said. Well, I couldn't agree more with the sentiment and with the statement. So the point I think that Mr. Trump was making then, and I think it's been repeated since then, is that where there are areas of need in the country, or persons who are educated in this country have strong abilities to contribute, then those people will find a pathway to legal immigration. I think we're going to see an increase ability for folks who are investors, entrepreneurs, finding a pathway. So I wouldn't see that any decrease in, for example, economic immigration being curtailed. Also, there's a E2 visa, which is a treaty visa that's actually through the State Department. And unless those direct treaties would be suspended or ended, then those will continue. The other point I want to make is I know a lot of our friends from India have some concerns that it appears that the new administration will have excellent relations with Prime Minister Modi in India, and any curtailment in the area of H-1B visa holders or any kind of targeting of Indian workers would definitely harm those relationships with India and what's trying to come about. So I think overall there are some potential positive aspects, although we know that we have to be prepared for the negative aspects, the discriminatory aspects, and the increase in raids and suspension of rights. So here at the Schiaparelli Law Group, you can count on us and know that we're going to be prepared to handle those issues. If you do want to contact us, you can do so by email. My email is sharif@pirellilaw.com. That's Sharif, SHARIF, at Pirellilaw, PEERALLY, law.com. Or you can reach our office at 202-656-5553. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.